What's up, DayMixers? Welcome back to my channel. So for today I have another unboxing video. You've already noticed that the whole background's changed and there was no cinematic intro because originally we were gonna go to the mountains, but then all of a sudden it started raining, then we rushed our way down and then the sun came out. So we're here now. So I brought another item on AliExpress. It's called the Hip Hop Ribbons Cargo Joggers. It's a black colored jogger with purple frames around the side pockets. So come along, let's go check it out. So these are straight from AliExpress. I've also added a link in the description below. Nothing too fancy regarding the packaging. So for today, we're gonna flip the pants inside out first. The stitching seems reasonable. I was hoping to find some poor quality differences and compared to some of the more expensive jogger reviews that I've done. Looking at it closer, there doesn't seem to be anything that really pops out. Everything seems pretty standard. There's the occasional loose stitching here and there, but that's not a problem. The first thing you notice about these joggers are the purple frame pockets. Below it, you have straps here for style points. Further underneath, you have text stitched here, 03 Seasonal Edition 1986. Above that, you have two arrows pointing down. So the straps comes attached like this straight out of the package. You can also attach it like this. With pockets, it actually doesn't have any Velcro stitch to it. You can't secure anything here. I wish it wasn't designed like this, and I don't know why they decided to go with it. For the sizing, I got 2XL, and even then I felt it was pretty small, but the waistline is stretchy, so that does help if you accidentally got a size smaller. If you have gotten this far throughout the video, thank you so much. And if you'd like to check out some other clothing reviews, be sure to check my YouTube channel. If you want photos of this clothing, check out my Instagram. Now, I have to admit, the quality of these pants, well, it made me felt it wasn't really there. So hey, you get what you pay for. And then compared to the other joggers that I've done review for, this is a better quality grade than those. Actually quite comfortable, and that's very surprising because when I first touched the material, I felt like the quality wasn't there. Therefore the comfortability would have been a bit off, but it's actually quite comfortable, and that's definitely a bonus. The pockets are pretty deep. I have a Huawei P30 Pro with me. Now, let's compare this with the photos on the seller's page. I have to say, it's one of those times where the photo actually looks better than the product itself, just in regards in terms of when you get the product and you touch it with your hands, the material seems a bit, it's not that high quality. With these black pants, you can easily style with a white or black t-shirt. It's pretty simple. Let me know how you would mix and match. I hope today's video was helpful, and like always, DayMixer out.
Cut.
Yes， 有没有拍到？
有啦。
第一天用 gimbal 感觉如何啊？
很重，
很重。来，
请我吃饭。
但我现在东西都很贵啦。如果是台湾的话，我肯定请，我保证。
什么时候才可以去台湾呐？我知道了，你拍一个跟吃的有关的不就好了？
自
己去想。没有吃的就不要叫我来。